statistical technology in promoting ethnomathematics. Okay. What time we started?
Irrespective of the session. And for the sorry, madam, I'm going to have some sort of presentation. Role of digital technology in promoting ethnomathematics or cultural mathematics. That is simple overview. This is some information about technology and ethnomathematics. We have already known about ethnomathematics, especially that focus on cultural relevance, inclusivity in education, and multicultural knowledge or interdisciplinary knowledge. And digital technology covers all types of developed recent technologies in this time. And this study trying to explore how this digital technology helps to promote our cultural mathematics. And this presentation. The aim of this presentation is to explore the digital role of digital technology in promoting ethnomathematics. And this presentation has developed based on certain research publications only, that is limited to 7 research articles which is available in Google Scholar. And to reach these 7 articles, I use that keywords, and I limited the resources in 2020. And after that, I found only 29 articles related to digital pedagogy, digital technology, and ethnomathematics. And out of 59 articles, and 16 Google, simply in Google, and 59 in Google still. Out of that, only few articles were freely available, free text, and out of them, only 7 articles were relevant in my topic. So I have developed that PPT based on these 7 research papers, and after that I have find some conclusion based on this resource. These are 4 findings which are relating to ethnomathematics or cultural mathematics and digital technology. These findings are based on 7 research papers which I already mentioned in previous slide. And main thing in these findings are digital technology helps to promote the ideas of cultural mathematics with global community. It also promotes the collaborative habit of the students and academic personalities, and also it promotes the critical thinking and creativity of students while learning mathematics. So these are 4 findings. I think it is not necessary to study all. All things are visible, you can study it. And I have sought some information in Google how digital technology are promoting our cultural mathematical knowledge. For that purpose, I use 2 things. One thing is searching in Google, another thing is I use AI tools. How these AI tools explore our cultural mathematical objects, which can be more easy for teachers and more easy for students to understand that mathematical concept. This is the thing. This is theory. Yeah, all we know about it. Yes. And when I ask AI or ChatGPT explore this objects with mathematical concept, then it gives this thing. That is not written by me. That is given by AI tools. Yeah. There are several things, several mathematical knowledge related to these figures. However, suppose in school curriculum, if we are going to teach the cylinder, then we are not giving example of this. Yeah, it means our cultural knowledge is not integrating in our curriculum. And another thing, in second time, I also upload that figure in ChatGPT. Yeah, and I ask that AI tools to give mathematical knowledge in this figure, and I found this information. There are so many informations, similarity, transformation, and other things. Yeah. So actually, this figure is related to social science in our curriculum. In social subject, we can find this types of figure in school curriculum. However, we are not connecting this with mathematics. So this ethnomathematics, concept of ethnomathematics is related to multicultural society or multicultural concept. Yeah. So this is another thing. And then there are some figures here I have taken from Google, and this is related to role of social media to promote cultural knowledge. All things are related to mathematics. Yeah. And what I searched in Google, Nepali Rangoli, that was the keyword which I used to find this image. And we can find the description of image which was uploaded by different person. Yeah. Even we can't find any mathematical words while uploading this image in the cloud. There is no any mathematical word. Look here. This someone upload this by Asu. This is one tutorial, and this is one image. But this is no any relationship, this concept with mathematics directly. It means that we are doing mathematical activities in our daily life. However, we don't know if it is mathematics or not. So we should integrate this type of information in our curriculum. Yeah. This information are, look here, this figure. There are several mathematical notations here. Okay, there are several mathematical concepts. However, we are teaching this in history or architecture. Okay, only, not in mathematics. Okay, this is the things, mathematical cultural knowledge and modern mathematical outcomes. How our mathematical cultural knowledge develop the mathematics. Yeah, this is traditional mathematics symbol. Based on this, okay, we are teaching these types of information. And here, by the help of flying butterfly, man has developed aeroplane. Yeah, so many concepts are here, which is main cause of mathematics. But there may not be some information directly related to mathematics. This is the sunflower, yeah, which can be easily found in our garden. But this is not the sunflower. This is the watch, which is modern mathematics. Yeah. So all mathematical knowledge, these types of knowledge has developed by our tradition. So this is another thing. This is the role of technology to promote some buildings. Yeah. This is our tradition, ethnomathematics, our cultural house. But in this stage, we can find only these types of house, because the foundation of this house is this. Okay. However, these things are not integrating in our curriculum. So we should mention this in all things. Suppose this is farming, yeah. How farming is transforming by the help of technology. There are so many persons. There is only one machine, okay, and there is our traditional gathering that, and this is new. Okay, these things are the contribution of technology to explore mathematical knowledge. Now
Sorry,
another
yeah.
thing is here.
Sorry, you have 2 minutes only.
Okay, these are our cultural concept, and this is modern concept. This is machine-made things. This is our handmade things. Okay, okay. These are things also related to mathematics. However, it may not be included in our curriculum. Okay, and how ethnomathematics or cultural mathematical knowledge are explored among global communities based on some reference I have mentioned here. These are some only I have mentioned some of the study which are the initiation to explore our cultural knowledge among global community. Okay, there are so many literatures. However, I have mentioned some only limited. And these are some findings in conclusion how we can based on among above presentation we can conclude that the technology is necessary to promote the ethnomathematical concepts, okay, in collaboration in promoting our local cultural values, and by sharing different social medias and tutorials, okay, and we can also develop some mathematical modeling related concept in our cultural mathematical values. Okay, these are some implications and limitations. Okay, thanks from my side. If you have any queries, let me know.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for your excellent presentation, and you have completed your presentation in time. Okay, if you have any query, please.
Okay, thank you from my side. Okay.
Digital technology and how the digital technology is used for promoting ethnomathematics. Yeah. This is another query.
Please.
How the digital technology can be used to study ethnomathematics.
Study.
Yeah.
Study so many. There are so many applications of digital technology to study the ethnomathematics, like finding so many resources there,
Yeah.
handling the information, okay,
Yeah.
and explore our knowledge to the global community, etc.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. And now I invite